Look at this crap. Crazy. Still not done. Kevin's truck. Ooh, slippery. There's my rhinoceros truck. And there's the young Dylan coming out to play in the snow with his alfalfa messed up hair. Let's have a look at the backyard. Oops. Oops. Dumbass. Broken tree limb. What's up, bud? Man, I know. There's some gloves over here, buddy. You leave shit laying, you're never gonna have nothing. Good icicles, all dripping. Good.
Is it ice?
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's not gonna be an avalanche like we thought.
No, not at all.
Wow.
That's a big chunk of ice right there.
Shoot.
Holy crap.
Look at the rest of the roof. There it goes.
Jeez.
Oh, that sounded heavy.
Yeah.
Wow. You're probably gonna have to go around and do that to all the drains. Woo! Goodness.
That's heavy shit.
Look, that's the front of his truck. Here's my Jeep. My Jeep's nice and clean because I was at work and it was in a parking garage. So I didn't get the 2 feet of snow on it. So it's pretty clean already. Look at that. Trailer full of snow. That's so crazy. What do you need?
What do I need? More places to put snow. That's all I need.
You can make 8-foot-high walls.
That's what it's gonna wind up being.
Look at that shit. Now he's got to shovel the hood.
Insane.
Oh my goodness. Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Baby, wait!
Sucker.
Holy Jesus, look at all that freaking snow. Oh.
There's the windshield. And no, we will not be using a shovel on my truck.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Wow. That's where you can really see how much snow we had.
Yeah.
Wow. I ain't never seen anything like it.
Look at that shit.
But look at the roads. The roads are jet black. They did a good job. There ain't nothing. Well, here's what's left of the mailbox.
I still gotta clean all that up.
I know. Just leave a little path for the mailman.
There's an asshole. Fucking roads all up.
Uh-huh.
They're lazy.
There they are. Yep.
A shovel again.
I know it.
Ooh, I'm gonna break the windshield wiper blade.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, with all that snow falling on it?
All
Yeah.
that falls down at one time and I bend it backwards. I'll be in a heap of shit. And buying new blades.
Well, at least you're doing the worst one first. Your truck shouldn't be that bad.
Is there such a thing anymore? At this point, is that bad anyway? I think it's all that bad right now.